Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris again from Oz Canopies and 4x4. We have got another BYD Shark 6 in the shop. We're becoming very much so a BYD expert around here, around these parts. Right, so what have we got happening on this one today? We're going to get an electric roller shutter fitted. It's going to be one of our electric roller shutters. We're going to go through the assembly process, the fitment process, yada yada, and all of that. And apart from that, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, Chris again, Oz Canopies and 4x4. You guys saw me at the start of the video, now you guys see me at the end of the video. We got it all done and dusted, and this time we have got our special guest here. Her name is...
Beck. My name's Beck.
That's Beck, and she brought this lovely ute in for us today to get the roller shutter fitted. Anyway, so we'll go through the operation of the roller while we're at it, right? So, Beck, did you also want to see how to operate it? So the key has got lock button, unlock button. If you hit the unlock button, it rolls forward. That one's pretty straightforward, right? So one thing that I wanted to draw attention to is very silent operation for these BYD rollers. And then you can also see, I'll just go ahead and get the tailgate open. All right, and you can see that it's got the integrated bar light on there as well, which is going to be very helpful for that nighttime work that I know that you guys want to be doing. I don't know whether or not Beck's doing too much nighttime work. That's a bit of a red hot statement. I'll take that back actually. We're going to beep that out. All right, anyway, so another feature that I wanted to quickly demonstrate as well. We'll go ahead and we'll close it. Right, let's just say you're chatting to somebody, right? Perhaps the owner of the ute. Hey Beck, how you doing? What's going on over here, boom? And then, oh, no dramas. Why? Because it's got a safety system and then it rolls right out. You know what I mean? So I appreciate Beck for bringing her ute in today, right? And she's telling me she's got a few things to say. What have you got to say, Beck? Let the audience know, to our 980 odd subscribers that we got.
I'm just really grateful to Chris and the team for helping me out. Like, it's just been such a smooth process and I just couldn't do it without you guys, so thank you.
You heard it from the horse's mouth, right? So if you guys got a BYD or any other type of electric roller shutter, whatever you've got, we've got them available. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos on the way, and sometimes we end up with the owners helping us in our videos as well. So thank you very much to Beck, right? You drive safe, right? And we'll see you guys on the next one.